Hello YouTubers, welcome back to the channel. GQ Auto Diagnostics and Repair, where my job is to save you money. Happy Friday, I hope you're having a great time. Today I'm working on a 2006 Ram 1500. It's a two-door truck, short bed, nice and clean. Customer requested to replace the ignition switch. This vehicle doesn't have a chip, so we just removed the switch with the key. The reason for is because there's a lot of wear on the key. I have to wiggle quite a bit to be able to turn the truck on, so which is pretty annoying, and it's getting worse and worse, so it's very challenging to do that. So let me show you how to do it. There are 4 bolts that you have to remove. Pretty straightforward here. You're gonna need only a T20. Okay, T20. Let's see if you guys can see it there or not. I hope you can. T20. Anyhow, so you're gonna remove right here this part, a little lever here, so you can tilt your steering wheel up or down. Okay, pretty simple. Leave it there. The next one is going to be right here. The third. Come on. There you go. Just that. And the last one right here. Well, if you're new to the channel, really quick, welcome. Thank you for checking the video. I hope you like it and you'll find value in it. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Share the video, leave your comments down below. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for coming back. It's a pleasure to have you once more. Now the next thing, you're gonna pull this gentle and just comes up. You can bring it through here, put it on the side. Now on this area, what we're gonna do, you want to make sure this is gonna stay there, so not a big deal. Right there, this comes out. Now here is pretty straightforward actually. I'll put the key on, and we're gonna turn one position. Where is it? Okay, I'm gonna use this right here. I'm gonna press. Let me do one more. I'm gonna press. I'm gonna. When you press, as you can probably see in the video here, you can actually push it out. Okay, press, push it out. And this is the area that you press in right here. Okay, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Where? Okay, perfect. So you do the same thing. The new one, you're gonna open at one position, because if you try to push here, it doesn't work. Gotta go. So then you go, put it there. Turn on. It comes out. Let's see the other key. Accessories. Nice radio. Take this off. All right, time to start putting everything back here. Give me a second. Which one is this? Okay, so we're gonna start with the top here. very simple. It's gonna come. Let's see if I can give you a better angle on this part. Make sure the hazard button goes there, turns off. That's nice. It's gonna go here for now. That's why I don't know what is loose. I'm gonna leave it there because that's how it was. In case somebody wonder, I did not disconnect it. Now it's there. And make sure you kind of it's there. Okay, so you want this to snap back in place. Something here. Now this area, we can put the bolts first because sometimes when you push it, this can come apart. But no, staying there very nicely. Okay, perfect. So next thing, let's see. You guys having a good view? Let me. Hopefully you guys can see better there. Now I want to put everything back so we can start with this one right here. It's tight. This one over here was over here. Give me a second. I think I put in the wrong one. Here. Okay. There it is. This goes here. The last one is right here. Make sure you start this. There's two guides. Have a place right there where they go. Okay, so let's put it here. Make sure they go there. Nice. All right, guys, so that is how you replace your ignition switch, the key, okay, on 2006 Ram. I hope you liked the video. Please leave your comments down below, subscribe to the channel, and as usual, God bless, do your best, forget the rest, and I will see you in the next video. Later.